Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we'll share with you the work from home jobs and very importantly, the walk-in drives that are going to happen in the upcoming weekend. See, if you are aware about the walk-in drives, you would be preparing yourself to go over there and you can prepare technically. So there are multiple things. Many times people do tell us that they came to know about the walk-in drive just one day before or just 2 hours before. So it was not possible for them to reach out. And besides that, let me tell you about one important thing. So, one is to one career guidance has been one of the popular call that people have been booking on TopMate. So, every day people book these calls, they get the clarity, they seek the guidance, and they are able to move ahead in their career. So, I would let you know that this is a call which is available at a very nominal cost. You can book this call today itself, and let's connect with respect to your career and see, and you'll get the one is to one career guidance. So I'll be connecting with you personally, and those sessions are not recorded, and you can let me know where are the points, where are the things that you feel you are stuck, you are facing queries, you are facing any kind of issues. Feel free to reach out to us. Okay, now let me tell you about the job opportunities. Okay, so we are hiring QA at HashedIn by Deloitte. So this is the company, and they are looking for someone with experience of 3.5 to 6 years. So you can apply at this particular email address. Location would be Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, and this is a referral email address. This also you can use as a referral. And they are looking for someone who has got strong hands-on experience in functional testing, API testing, and SQL, solid understanding of SDLC, STLC, Agile, and defect lifecycle, experience in test planning, defect management, mentoring, and close collaboration with product and dev teams. Then, secondly, there is a requirement for the senior automation leaders. So you can share your resume here, right? They are looking for senior test automation leaders in the network. This is a separate opportunity, and below I'm telling you is a separate opportunity. This is with respect to Expleo Solutions. So Expleo Solutions is conducting a hiring drive on Saturday, 7th of February in automation testing, Selenium and APM. Location is Chennai. Face-to-face interviews. Timings would be 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Experience is 4 to 6 years, and notice period is immediate or serving notice period up to 15 days. The walk-in location is also provided here. It would be in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So you have to go there with an updated resume and with a valid government ID. Right. So roles and responsibilities are given for automation testing perspective, APM as well as Selenium is there. Then there's a requirement for automation test engineer, Selenium plus Java. This is a 100% remote job opportunity. India-based candidates can apply. Company is Future Tech Factory 1, Event Data. Employment type is full-time. Experience required is 3 to 6 years. Mandatory skill set is you need strong experience with Selenium WebDriver, Java, and JavaScript. Exposure to prompt engineering. What you will be doing is you'll be building, maintaining, and scaling automated UI test using Selenium WebDriver in Java, develop and enhance test automation frameworks, collaborate with developers, DevOps, and product teams to integrate quality across the SDLC. So you can apply over here. You have to send your resume to this particular email address with the following details. That is total experience, current CTC, notice period, LinkedIn URL. Then dbiz.ai is hiring. They are looking for a senior QA playwright using JS or Selenium with Java. Experience required is 6 plus years, and they are looking for immediate joiners. Location is Kochi. So here is the link. Then there's a requirement for manual tester. Location is Chennai or Bangalore, and the domain required is global banking payments. See, these days there's a lot of requirement of payments, finance, those kind of domains. So if you can add your experience in those particular things, it would be great. So you have to share your CV to this email address. Then there is a requirement for automation testing professionals. Strong experience in Java with Selenium is required. Hands-on expertise in TypeScript with Playwright. Good understanding of automation frameworks and testing best practices. Ability to work in a fast-paced, collaborative environment. So if you are interested, you can share your profiles using the contact details below. Then Evernorth Health Services is hiring for talented professionals to join the Hyderabad team. So they are looking for mainframe analyst, senior analyst, lead analyst, then QE, quality engineering analyst, again, senior analyst, lead analyst, front end UI, senior analyst, lead analyst, data engineering, same analyst, senior analyst, lead analyst. So the opportunities are there in this company, starting from the junior level, mid level to the extremely lead level. So multiple job opportunities are there with this company. I would suggest you can apply. And this walk-in drive is also going to happen on 7th of February. That is with this Evernorth Health Services that is there in the for the Hyderabad location. So you can apply for this particular company as well. Let me show you the link of the quality engineering as well. So, okay. So here are the details. Signa Group. And these are the careers link. And if you click here, technology, you'll be able to see. So multiple operations, technology again, search. Okay, you can see QA and test analyst. Okay, so these are the details you can see with respect to the QA testing. Then automation engineer. Okay, it's in Hyderabad. So multiple opportunities are there in this company with respect to your experience. You can apply mid-level, senior level, lead level opportunities are also there. So feel free to apply in this company, right? It's a very good company. And if you are looking for a referral, so maybe you might be looking for a referral as well. So let me assist you with the referral. What I'll do is I'll share all the links in the first comment of the video. Just let me click over here. Okay. So here is the referral detail. You will find it on LinkedIn. See. So Shankar is already from this company. He's in Hyderabad, Telangana. So uh, he has posted this thing. So walk-in drive is there on 7th of February, and you can apply. You can use his name as well for the referral. Not an issue. He is he's ready to refer you in the companies. All right. So these are the opportunities. Plus, let me show you one more job opportunity. Okay. Then there's a requirement for a QA manual tester as well. So they are hiring for someone who knows SDLC, SQL, Jira, Agile. Immediate joiners are preferred. Location is Bangalore. Experience requires 1.5 to 5 years. There is an email address wherein you have to apply, right? So these are the job opportunities for experience, as well as we shared with you the remote, the work from home jobs. So you can apply for these particular jobs today itself, and be prepared for the walk-in drives that are going to happen on upcoming Saturdays and Sundays. If you want to book a call on TopMate with respect to mock interviews, career guidance, feel free to connect with us. Right? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.